Have you ever noticed how skincare ads are full of words like biocomplex, nano serum, peptide X? They all sound scientific, trustworthy, advanced, but often that's exactly the point. So, one research by the linguist Maria Diaz Arroyo shows that beauty brands deliberately use what she calls scientific opacity, language that sounds complex and expert, even when the science behind it isn't really explained. She found that the words built with Greek or Latin prefixes and suffixes, like for example, bio, hydro, zyme, or plex, make products seem more sophisticated and credible simply because they're harder to understand. The more technical it sounds, the more we tend to trust it. So, a similar study by Helen Ringrow compared English and French cosmetic ads and found that many use pseudoscientific discourse, mimicking the structure and vocabulary of science to project authority. Phrases like clinically proven, peptide complex, tested by dermatologists create a sense of expertise even when there is no actual research cited. So, Ringrow also noted that ads often follow a problem solution pattern. First, they define a problem like wrinkles, dullness, and then present a scientific sounding formula as the cure. Even natural and green brands play the same game, believe it or not. Mixing nature with lab language like bioactive plant stem cells or carbon free formula to sound both pure and scientific at once. So, why does this and how does this work on us? Well, most of us instinctively associate science with truth and with scientific language with it. When we hear complex terminology, we assume expertise, even if the meaning is very, very vague, right? So advertisers know this and they use morphology, prefixes, suffixes, and invented terms, not just to describe, but to persuade. So the next time that you see a product boasting a micropeptide bio serum or a hydroactive nano complex, pause a little bit. Ask, what does this really mean? You can research it, you can Google it, and if a brand doesn't explain it clearly or cite actual data on this, chances are that the science is more style than the substance and language is being used for some other purposes. Often, belief is what really sells the product, so be careful out there.